Hi, I'm Nigel Frith. I work as the COO for Compare Store Prices alongside Chris Young, who's the CEO. I'm going to talk a little bit about some aspects of email and email marketing. I'll do a number of sessions on email marketing going into more detail, but this is just an initial session to talk about ways of generating names. One thing that you may have found if you've done any data capture before is it's actually quite difficult to get people to enter their data in unless there's a genuine reason and they're going to get something back for it. So one of the things that we've found to be reasonably successful on Compare Store Prices, and what we're going to be doing a lot more of in the future, is looking at what users are likely to want when they're in the mode to be on Compare Store Prices, whatever that mode is, whether it's research or whether it's to actually make a purchase. We want to try and put something in front of the user that's going to say to them, if I give my data away, I'm going to get something that's of value in return. And if they get that thing of value and it's not a bunch of rubbish and they don't just trash it straight away, then when they receive something from us the next time, they won't blacklist us, they won't put us in the spam folder. So to talk a little bit more about the different sorts of triggers, well, you have to start back at base zero, as I was saying earlier, and look at why the user is on your page at a particular time to really understand what's going to be a trigger for them. So is the user on there because they're looking to learn more about a product, or are they on there because they want to specifically go through and buy? Now what I'm talking about is relevant to shopping comparison and e-commerce, but you may have a completely different type of site, but it's the principles that are at play here. So if they are in a research mode, and there are plenty of pages on Compare Store Prices that are largely about research, trying to find what sort of product they're looking for, it would be at that time that we place a data capture method in there that says, for more information about XYZ product, enter your email address here and you will get a free unbiased guide to this product. So the job that we would then have to do is to create some specific guides for different products on Compare Store Prices, so the users can get some high quality short guides that talk about a specific product, that aren't there to sell anything but are just there as a general guide for that product, and that's going to be valuable to the user. If on the other hand the user is on one of our detailed pages where they're more likely to know what they're looking for and they're going to go off and make a purchase, what we then need to present the user is a data capture facility that will say, you're looking to buy, but actually you may not want to buy at this price. So we have a thing called price alerts, and you'll see more of this we're going to make more of this on the site in the future. But when the user's ready to buy or they're looking close to the point of purchase, we want to give the user the opportunity to say, I actually want to buy it at this price, not at this price. Can you email me as soon as it comes in on the site at this price? So in this instance, we're not sending anything out directly. They're entering their data in, they're telling us what price they're happy to pay, and then every day our systems will serve through all of our prices. If it's in at that price, they'll get the email sent out to them to let them know. So it's really about understanding what the motivation is of the user to be on that page of your site, and to try and fit the data capture method around what their mindset is.